Be it Owaisi or Malla Reddy. Only one rule. If it is an illegal construction, we will give notice and time. If they do not demolish, HYDRA will do the job. HYDRA Commissioner A.V. Ranganath seems to have made it very clear. There will be no exceptions. With the ongoing demolitions in Hyderabad, educational institutions and other public utility structures built on lakes, full tank level and buffer roads are facing a serious crackdown as they receive notices from the agency. Among the institutions under scrutiny are high-profile colleges including AIMIM MLA Akbaruddin Owaisi's Fatima Owaisi Women's College, BRS MLA Palla Rajeshwar Reddy's Anurag University and BRS MLA Malla Reddy's chain of colleges. HYDRA, Hyderabad Disaster Response and Assets Monitoring and Protection Agency, is on a mission to restore critical water bodies. It's not acting without consideration for the students. Although parents have expressed their concerns over their children's education and reportedly requested to spare colleges and universities, Ranganath emphasized that these are public utility structures. And because thousands of students rely on these institutions for their education, an abrupt demolition could definitely disrupt their academic career. HYDRA seems to be enforcing the law impartially. Ranganath assured that their priority is upholding legal standards regardless of who is involved.
అది ఎవరైనా ఓఎస్సీ అయినా రేపు ఇంకెవరైనా ఎవరు మన మల్లారెడ్డి అయినా మేము చూసేది అక్కడ చూడం పిల్లల భవిష్యత్తు చూస్తాం. అది చూసి వాళ్ళకి కొంత టైం ఇస్తాం. టైం ఇచ్చి ఆ పిల్లలకి వాళ్ళకి అకాడమిక్ ఇయర్ ఇస్తాం. రేపు వీళ్ళు చేసింది తప్ప ఉండవచ్చు, ఏమైనా ఉండవచ్చు. వీళ్ళని మీద పోయి మనం చేసినప్పుడు రేపు పిల్లలంతా కూడా రేపు ఒక్కడి మీద పడి రేపు కాలేజీలో రేపు అకాడమిక్ ఇయర్ డిస్టర్బ్ అయిందంటే FTL important, definitely. But దానికన్నా important is పిల్లల భవిష్యత్తు. ఈ రెండు బ్యాలెన్స్ చేస్తాం. టైం ఇస్తాము, టైం ఇచ్చి వాళ్ళకి ఆ టైం లోపల చేసేటట్టు చేస్తాం.
The agency plans to give these institutions time to relocate students and demolish the buildings themselves. If they fail to comply, HYDRA will step in and carry out the demolitions. HYDRA's efforts are part of a larger mission to protect Hyderabad's dwindling water bodies, restore ecological balance, and ensure that illegal constructions don't compromise the city's environment. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest developments in this unfolding story. I am Mandira and you're watching India Today's SoSouth.